First of all, welcome to the video. So let me just go ahead and give myself, no, let me stick with the side part, and I'm just going to finger comb my hair, which is kind of painful because it's touching the tips of my fingers, and that's where the discomfort is. But I'm just combing this through while I do this intro. So look at how big and juicy. This hair is from LONGQI Hair. It's their Cambodian kinky curly. I am wearing 4 bundles of 28 inches and one 20-inch frontal. Sorry, not closure frontal. The frontals, the longest length in the frontals is 20 inches. Girl, I'm just combing through, just using my fingernails. That's all. That is all. So you guys saw this hair day before yesterday. Look at how big. Oh my god, that's what I say every night. Look at how big. Anyway, so yeah, this video, hold on, let me continue to comb this out. So I tell people, you know, bruh, I'm wearing 4 bundles. I knew 4 bundles would have been a lot. Oh, and I did not make this wig. How did I forget to tell you guys? This wig was made by Al. She has an Instagram. Well, on there. Here I am, girl. So here I am on Instagram. This who made my wig. Yo, go and follow her, spam her. She has 98 followers. Let's see if we can get her up to 500 for this video, you guys. Here I am, here _I_am_by what Al? So see there, let me see, there we go. Please go and follow her. 500 followers, that shouldn't be difficult. She's the one making my wigs right now, and the reason why she's making them, I feel like a broken record, but if you're new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Lemon from Rochester. I am pregnant. I am 36 weeks pregnant now, but when you see this video, by the time you see this video, I'll be 37 weeks. I'll be considered full term when I hit 37 weeks. So yeah, so she's making my wigs for me now because I cannot make them because of my pregnancy carpal tunnel. I know pregnancy carpal tunnel was a thing until I got it. So like the nerve endings in my fingers are extremely sensitive, and it really hurts whenever I don't want to say hurts because it's not, I don't want to say hurts, it's extremely uncomfortable to the point of pain when I use my hands because I feel like there's needles pricking me. Look at how huge, you guys. I love when my hair is this big. You guys don't even know. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I could color it. I could cut. This is 28 inches. Yep, I'm having under boob sweat. God damn it. Am I so moist? So this is it. Very bouncy. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Anyway, so this video is going to be, as you guys saw from the title, oh god, this story is going to be so detailed. I can't remember everything. That's so cool. But alright, so let me start. So my boyfriend at the time was in high school, and his name is Richard. Whew. His name is Richard, right? And the mother used to sell, or I don't know if she still does, sell a Spanish stone. So I would have visions of me going to look for his mother, or going to meet his mother, or go look for him, and I'm literally in like a brown platform shoes, like this chiffony flowy top, and like some bellas. So I would have visions, whatever. So that's that. So as I said in my other video, the video that I filmed before this, the day before yesterday video, yeah, same LONGQI hair, yeah. I told you guys that I would always go to class, whichever class I'm doing, whether especially math, always go to class. I'd go sit down in a drama room, right? So I think it was lunchtime or something. Oh my god. Oh my god, the things I do for y'all. Anyway, so oh, by the way, this tutorial is linked in the description bar below. I know I'm trying not to speak. Okay, I'm gonna eat already. So yeah, his name was his name is Richard. Is Richard, and I remember I had on him the band one watch either for Valentine's Day or something. Oh, my hands feel either Valentine's Day or something, and I remember I had on the watch on this hand, I think, and in the drama room, and God, I remember I think he did call me or something, and oh, he was always I should tell the guys this about me. So I don't like older guys, right? I've never been with I think I've only been with one older guy, and like him end up giving me a bone chronically. I'm telling you that story of my life, you know. I think Richard was the only one who never gave me a bone. I think so, but maybe I'm just really, really good. But anyway, so he was younger. So I remember saying, I'm khaki uniform, come to Bridgeport. Big up Bridgeport, alma mater for life. Obviously, because the alma mater. Anyway, I feel like I'm dodging around. I'm so nervous telling you guys this. You know, people watching from church. Yep. This is the boy come up to me in church. Anyway, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. So, we did at the drama room, we call it container. So they run a container, and something happened, and them come back and one cabinet or something. She don't know. But the cabinet did there to the door. So I'm bar off the door. I'm messing up in the cabinet. Oh yes, I think him said something like him want kiss me. What am I whispering? I think he said something like him want kiss me or something. And then I said, alright. I'm gonna get up. I'm up in the cabinet. I'm gonna sit back like that, you know. Like, oh, me have space, so I have room. There's room in the inn for you. And then it happened, but while it was happening, I felt it so weird because I felt his tongue in my mouth, and then like our teeth clinged, lick up at one point, and it was just wet, you know, like it was hydrating, you know, like so a lot of hydration. I was like, oh, that's, and him step back like, yeah, and me never know like what it feel like, you know, so I was just like, oh yeah, and that's escalate. I mean, I wasn't like a kissing horror or anything. Like, I have more of these stories. This is my first time. It was my I'm gonna check this video my first time. Yeah man, the whole long no. So I don't know come for going to hear one sex story. I wanna feel come watch your video for porn. But yes, so that's just like basically it, I guess. Oh my god, you guys. I believe this, but that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened. So the video has come to an end, so thanks for watching. LONGQI, thank you so much for sponsoring. I'm in love, LONGQI. Like, you have no idea how much I'm in love with this hair. Oh my, and I'm so glad I chose 4 bundles of 28. It just makes it look so nice and like lush and excuse me, full. Yo, lit turns. Turn up. Anyway, so this is it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Richard. Oh, what is the last name? I don't remember his last name. I do not remember his last name. I have so much high school stories. You know what? For this month of June, let's just sit and talk. Let's just relax. You know, if you want me to take on the road and we'll talk, we can do that. You know what I mean? I want this to be fun for this month for you guys. I want you to enjoy yourself watching my videos. I'm going to celebrate bringing Jaleel, you know. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.